I need napkins. Well, he ain't moving. I'm gonna go and see if we got any more work done on that bridge or that road.
Okay, this is for him being a good boy at the hospital. And he's eating it quick. You're supposed to eat the cone.
You ain't eating the cone?
No.
That's weird. I thought for sure you.
Now he's eating the napkin. No.
What?
He's eating the napkin that the ice cream is on. He's trying to lick it. Maybe we should have gotten in a cup. Piper might eat the cone. Or he might eat the cone after. Let me get that napkin off.